Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of April. So that means we need to start assembling all of the subscription kits to send out by the end of this month. I still need to go through the entire stack of packing slips and check them against each subscriptions to make sure that there's nothing incorrect on the packing slip. Just because sometimes people change their subscription after they've already placed the order, so I just want to make sure that everything looks correct, and plus we need to start printing all the vellums that will be going out with the subscription kits. So today is going to be a very busy day, but I'm so excited to start assembling the stickers because I think that's the most exciting part about sending out these subscriptions, to see all of the products together. And I can't wait for you guys to see the June kits. So I'm going to go back to work and then show you guys some of the stickers a little bit later. So yesterday I just finished the July kits so that I can send them out to be produced by our vendor. I was so behind, and I'm so happy that I was able to get that out on time. It's just been like go all this time, and I feel like ever since starting the subscription kits, because the months are so like far ahead, that I get so confused by which month is which. Like for example, right now is April, but I feel like it's going to be August soon because I have to start designing the August kits. So it's just been really confusing, which is why I need so many planners to kind of keep track of everything, because for example, like I need to put everything here, which is my Hobonichi weeks, to actually plan out when I'm supposed to design the kits. And I also put like my ideas for future kits here, and then I have like an actual planner for myself to plan out like what to do every day. So that's why I have like different planners. I really just cannot keep it straight, just because everything is happening. It seems like everything is happening all at once. But yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to see the July kits too. I have a hard time like holding like my excitements for the things I want to show you guys, so I'm going to have to try really hard to not accidentally expose the future kits.
Fire, mommy. What's your fire,
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Friday, and as you can see, we're getting ready to pack up all the subscription kits for the June theme. And I have already separated all the packing slips into the proper category based on the material that people have chosen, so that I know how many packages to pack for each material. And right now I'm just counting out one of the sticker sheets based on that number, so that I know when that sheet runs out, that's when I stop packing for that material. So yeah, I'm going to try to pack this as quickly as possible, but there are a lot of packages to pack today. But I will just keep on working.